I'm having foot surgery tomorrow, and because of that, I will not be able to shower standing up. That is why we purchased this shower, bench, and chair. It's perfect. If you want to take off the backing of it, you can also just use this as a bench. It has a handle, as you can see, but it also has two handles right here as well. It also has holes for the extra water to run down so it doesn't pool onto the bench. Now, as you can see, it also is texturized. Perfect. That makes it so it's going to be less slip resistant. I don't want to be slipping. Speaking of slipping, the bottom feet also have rubber. So it's going to be also slip resistant and staying in place. If you want to remove the backing of the chair, it's very simple. You just disassemble the backing of the chair part. Very easy to assemble. My husband did it in less than 5 minutes, super quickly. Now, another nice thing is if you want, you can attach this foam piece. It's a sticker, so you can peel off the backing and put it on here so you can have more of a comfortable chair. I'm probably not going to use this right now, but if it becomes not comfortable, I may in the future. So we didn't attach it. Another reason why I purchased this chair is so I can shower with ease. This attachment can attach to any of the legs. You can attach it to the back legs in case you have a caregiver, or even the front legs. Now I'm going to attach it to the front legs because I am going to use this for my shower head. This way I can easily grab it and shower myself just like that. And then after I'm done, I can put it back just like that. So in case you're having surgery, or maybe you're elderly or have an elderly parent, this is a wise choice to purchase and very easy to set up. This is what the back looks like, and this is what the sides look like. Definitely recommend this for all your showering needs. Perfect for a bathtub or shower too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.